Yeah.
Okay, so today, first I'm going to try to bunny hop over this cone. Pretty hot. Now I'm going to try to bunny hop over football. So pause it and we're going to try the... Okay, is it on the cone too?
Yeah.
Okay, here I go, I'm bunny hopping over it. I did it.
Alright, this is your finger done.
Okay, this is either going to be a stupid idea or a good idea. So, we're going to pause the video and we'll get back to you when I'm set up. Okay, go back all the way to the field goal. Okay, start it. It started? Okay, this is either a stupid idea. Oh, let me try that one. Go back to where you were.
Okay.
Is it still recording?
Yeah.
Okay, here I go. Oh, pause it. Now.
Okay.
Okay, so I failed 2 times. Hopefully I make it on my 3rd try. Here I go. Oh, put my foot down. Let me try one more time. Pause it.
Okay.
Okay, here I go. Hopefully it's a good idea. Okay, so I did it, and now I'm stress relief. I'm fine. So we're going to get some more videos uploaded. See you later.